This is a quick tutorial on how to have students turn in assignments, particularly those with URLs, using Google Drive. First of all, you're going to want to log into your Google Drive and go to Create and select to create a form. What you're going to then do is select your template that you'd like to use and go ahead and name it. I would probably name it the title of your assignment. So anything with a link. So let's say I have students write an essay using Google Docs. They can turn in their links this way if I would prefer, rather than having them share the actual document with me. Totally up to you. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and create your questions. So I would probably make the first one their last name. Change this to be a text answer. And I would probably make it a required question. That way students can't turn in the assignment without including their name. Go ahead and add another item. Maybe you want to know their first name as well. Required question, done. You could make a separate form for each class period, or you could just have students check a box with the class period that they are in. Completely up to you on whether you want everything in one spreadsheet for all of your classes, or if you want multiple spreadsheets. And then you could add an item for please paste the URL of your assignment. Students might need an example. And again, a required question. You could also, if you want, add some reflective questions that you would like students to answer. So maybe, how did this assignment strengthen your understanding of the topic? And I'm going to go ahead and change that to a paragraph text so that students have enough room to write a longer response. And I'm actually going to go back up and edit this previous question and make it a paragraph text. They probably won't need that much room for their URL, but I don't want them to run out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, to share this with students, you're going to want to go up to View Live Form, and this would be the URL that you would copy for students to share. So you could post that link on your Blackboard or Google site or whatever it is that you might be using, and this is what they would fill in to turn in their assignment. So this could work for a Google Doc, a Prezi, if students are doing a screencast and uploading to YouTube. If they're using a tool like Padlet or a real-time board, they could just turn in their web link to their assignment on your class form. Now, to see the results of their work, you're going to want to go back to your form and click Choose Response Destination. And I usually make a new spreadsheet and hit Create. And then to go to that, you're just going to, it'll change over and say View Responses. Now mine is going to be blank, but I want to flip over to this one so that you can see what it would look like. This is one I made for another just example. So one of the nice features is that you have this timestamp over here. You can see exactly when students turned in their work, and everything is listed all in one spreadsheet, and you aren't getting a million emails from students with their links. It's all in one place.